Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to format a table in Publisher to fit on one page. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to format a table in this document fit in one page. Firstly, create a page. Click right button on this pages section and click insert blank page. Then go to the second page and go to insert menu. Then click table option and choose row and column to insert table. Then click top the table and move this table top on the page. Then resize the table fit to this page. Then zoom out the document and fit the table to this page. Now we can see we make this table fit to the page very easily. You can highlight this table, select the table and go to the table design menu. Then click the wide and choose 3pt. Then click borders drop down menu and choose all borders. Now we can see we fit this table to this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.